What's up guys, it's Cody over at Form First Fitness, just dropping another quick garage tutorial. Today we're going to talk about dumbbell Arnold presses. Yes, as the name implies, this was first developed by Arnold Schwarzenegger. It is a great shoulder movement that hits all three heads of the shoulder and really forces that rotator cuff to stabilize throughout the movement. So what we're going to do, we're going to grab two dumbbells. We're going to supinate the grip, so thumbs out, and then we're going to pretty much curl those dumbbells into our face, okay? So when we start, the pinkies are closest together, and we're pretty much blocking our field of view with those dumbbells, palms facing the face. From here, we're going to lead with the thumb as we rotate that forearm and those elbows out to 90 degrees. We're gonna press straight up. Let the dumbbells touch, so thumbs are close together now. Now we're gonna drop those elbows straight down, and we are going to bring those pinkies in as that elbow follows, so that we are back to that starting position of pinkies close, okay? Once again, lead with the thumb, rotate that elbow and forearm out, press straight up, dip those elbows down, rotate that pinky in, so we are once again blocking that field of view. In real time, just smooth and control. Make sure those elbows aren't dipping too far below the shoulders when we come down, and make sure we're getting a full range of rotation as we come up. If this is your first time doing the movement, start nice and light. Let the shoulders warm up and stabilize before progressing to heavier weight and going for a higher rep count. If you guys like the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.